Maria and Giordano with Real Estate Profit System. I am so sick and tired of all the hype in the real estate investing world, especially from the guru guys who are talking about, hey, I am totally not affected by the interest rates. I am so not worried. And oh my gosh, use this AI stuff and it's going to take over the world. And you've got to jump on board now. You know how many times these creeps or cretins of real estate investing have been like spewing all of this nonsense, but it's all garbage and they give zero useful information. You want to invest in real estate, you want to do no money down and stuff, they don't tell you how. Well, number one, you've got to market. You've got to get your avatar together and you have to be able to start marketing to motivated sellers with real estate problems. What are they? Are you going after tired landlords? What is a tired landlord's real estate problems? Well, number one, they probably can't stand tenants anymore. They probably hate the repair calls to them constantly. But number three, what is it? Taxes. If they sell that property for all cash, newsflash for you, they are going to get raked over the coals on taxes. What is the best remedy for that situation? I don't know, maybe paying on an installment sale. That's where you sometimes give them nothing down or a little bit down and pay them over time. It's called a terms deal, an installment sales deal. This is what all those guys out there in Arizona and every place else don't want to tell you about. It's about finding that motivated seller and helping them to solve their real estate problems. And then, the second thing, that's right, the negotiations. How do you negotiate with the seller? Well, here's the thing. Negotiations, honestly, it's just a $5 word for communication. You have to be able to talk to the seller. You need to be able to sit down across the kitchen table with them. None of this, texting garbage, SMS, whatever, sending them emails. No, even if you're dealing with a realtor, you have to be able to pick up the phone or sit across from them, have a cup of coffee and talk about their problems. See how you can solve them. And what's the third thing? Structuring the deal. Creating the deal out of thin air that will help them, that won't sink you in the quicksand because, hey, we're in this business to make a profit. Newsflash for you. Profit is not a bad word. It is not a 4-letter word. You have to, in order to be successful, to be able to help more people, you have to be profitable with what you do. So stop listening to all the hype, all these people out in Facebook land, YouTube land who has the great big followings. Why? Because they're spending so much money on their marketing, so much money on getting you to look at their headlines and tell you all about how you got to get in on the AI and you got to get in on this or that quick before it's gone. Are they really going to be gone? Are these sellers really going to be gone? No. Every time there's a housing crisis, every time the economy shifts, your job is to find the holes. See how you can help people. This is a people helping people business. So go out there, find motivated sellers, find real estate agents that have properties that aren't selling. Find out why they aren't selling. Sometimes right now, I know people who have bought houses that are underwater. Why? Because they're in a depreciating market. Maybe their husband, wife, whatever, got a job transfer. Maybe they're paying 2 mortgages. What are their real estate problems? How can you help them? Can you do a master lease on that property? If you don't know what a master lease is, look up my friend Lindsay Jensen. Oh my gosh, she is amazing when it comes to master leasing. Maybe you need to take over their payments on their mortgage. Buy the house subject to the existing mortgage. Look up my other friend, Courtney, or better yet, come to our event in New Orleans, Louisiana on October 17th and 18th, 2023, where we are going to be showing you how to find these deals. Nobody tells you how to find the deals. They always talk about the structuring or whatever. No, we are going to dive deep into how you find these deals. I just told you, work with realtors on their properties that they can't sell. Find the tired landlords. They're everywhere. You see them on Zillow, you see them down the street, you see them listing their properties. Find those tired landlords and then sit down and talk. I'm going to be teaching a ton on negotiations, how you can sit down, talk to the seller, and become their only logical source. Why? Because you're a problem solver. You're not some piranha feasting on their carcasses like some of these other people. No. You know what? There's a reason why women are so amazing, why we're kick butt at this. It's because we care. It's because we put our heart, our soul into this, just like with our families. These sellers become part of it. So come to the creativeinvestorplaybook.com. That's our website, Creative Investor Playbook event in New Orleans, and dive deeper into this. Become financially free. I look forward to seeing you there.